Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey everyone, ever wanted to make those light, delicate crepes at home? They might seem fancy, but they're actually incredibly simple to whip up, and so much fun to customize with all your favorite fillings. We're going to walk through each step, making sure you get perfect, delicious crepes every single time. It's a wonderful journey into a classic, tasty treat. To start, you'll need just a few basic ingredients you probably already have: flour, a couple of eggs, milk, a touch of sugar, and some melted butter. For tools, a good whisk or even a blender will do the trick for your batter. And of course, a reliable 8 or 10-inch nonstick pan is your absolute best friend for making consistently perfect crepes. Having these ready makes the process smooth. First, combine your dry ingredients in a bowl, then gently whisk in the wet ones. You want a smooth, runny batter with no lumps, so keep whisking. Once it's all mixed, the secret is to let it rest. 30 minutes in the fridge allows the flour to fully hydrate, giving you tender, pliable crepes that cook beautifully. This resting step is truly key for that perfect texture. Now for the fun part, cooking. Heat your nonstick pan over medium heat, adding just a tiny bit of butter or oil. Pour about a quarter cup of batter into the center, then quickly tilt and swirl the pan to coat the bottom evenly. Cook for about 1 minute until the edges look crisp, then gently flip and cook for another 30 seconds or so until lightly golden. Practice makes perfect here, so don't worry if your first one isn't flawless. Once your crepes are cooked, the possibilities for fillings are endless. Go sweet with Nutella, fresh berries, or a sprinkle of sugar and a squeeze of lemon. Or try savory with cheese, ham, or even mushrooms and spinach. Gently fold or roll your crepes, serve them warm, and enjoy your amazing homemade treat. They truly are a delight that everyone will love.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.